lahat ng mga settings ng inyong OBS configuration. In order for you to save or to record your interface for the full screen ng inyong presentation, or for this one alone, itong main screen ninyo, in order for this one to capture everything on your presentation, all you need to do is just to click the start recording. But of course, you need to check first the setting and then go to the output para alam ninyo kung saan masasave yung inyong recording videos. So dito, by default, doon siya sa video folder ninyo. So dito lang, no? Diyan sa videos na yun. And then click OK, and then start recording na tayo. Once you click start recording, this center screen, ito lang yung mare-record ni OBS. But for the entire screen, hindi nyo mare-record yan. So if you would like to record the entire screen ng inyong computer, you need another software such as the FreeCam. Meron tayong ibang training dyan to be conducted by the other teachers, no, yung FreeCam or yung ice cream recorder na meron akong software niyan. If you would like to have that, I can give it to you, the ice cream recorder. But we would be giving another training if needed kung gusto niyo matutunan yung ice cream recorder. Pero kung gagamitin niyo yung FreeCam, I guess na i-train na yan ng ni Ma'am Mecca about the FreeCam. You can use the FreeCam if you would like to capture the entire screen. But for this one, yung start recording natin, ito lang main window. Kung ano lang yung ibibigay nyo sa estudyante na output doon sa YouTube Live or Facebook Live, ito rin na mare-record niya rito, no? If you would like to do the recording while having an online session, pwede naman yun, no? Two birds in one stone ang kakalabasan niya. Alright, so all you need to do is just to click stop recording. Let's see if we can get the file. So let's go to the videos folder. Eto. Tingnan natin dyan kung saan yun. So February 7 tayo. Parang nakalimutan ko yata lagyan ng etong capture. No, that not the one. February 7. Eto. This one, February 7. So by default, yan na nakalagay, no? Play natin, tingnan natin kung yan yung kanina. Hanap lang tayo ng player natin para i-play siya. So let's see kung ito na yung video na na-record natin just earlier. Click start recording. This center screen, ito lang yung mare-record ni OBS. But for the entire screen, hindi nyo mare-record yan. So if you would like to... Okay, so ang nakita lang ninyo dun sa video is the screen ng OBS. Ito lang. Yan lang ang na-record. Click start recording. This siya lang ang na-record. So yan lang, no? So dun sa OBS, yung entire screen neto hindi siya na-capture kasi ang application ng start recording ni OBS etong gitna lang. Pero kung gusto nyo nga yung buong window ang ma-record, you can use the FreeCam software na ibinigay sa inyo. Kung wala pa kayo, you can get it to Ma'am Mecca for the software. Yung OBS naman, you can download that to the internet. So for the ice cream recorder, if you would like to have that, I can give it to you. Nasa akin yung installer niyan. Alright, so ang ating output, you can do the recording here, start recording. para ito ma-record lang tong gitna, or if you would like to submit the entire screen ng inyong output, you can use the free cam. Alright? So, just follow this stuff for your output. Alright? Thank you very much.